Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you ready to organize your favorite recipes like a pro? In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to create your very own recipe book in Notion, using a completely free template that will save you tons of time and give your recipe collection a super polished look. By the end of this video, you'll know not only how to set up your recipe book, but also how to personalize it so it truly feels like your own kitchen companion. Let's dive right in. First, we'll take advantage of Notion's free recipe book template. Templates are incredibly useful because they come with that professional design baked in, so you don't have to worry about layout or formatting. Think of it like having a framework already built, just waiting for your personal touches. To get started, look up to the top left corner of your Notion workspace. You'll see a little drop-down menu. This is your doorway to more options in Notion. Go ahead and click on that. Sometimes these menus hide all the best features, so don't be afraid to explore. From there, select Browse Templates. If you haven't explored templates in Notion before, think of them as starter packs. You get a head start on whatever project you're working on. Now in the Templates section, head up to the search bar and type in Recipe Book. You'll see a range of different templates pop up, each with its own style and features. Take a moment and scroll through those and pick the one you like best. There's no single right choice here. Some templates focus on ingredients lists, some have cool photo galleries, so feel free to choose the one that catches your eye or seems to match your needs. Once you find the template you want, simply click it and hit Add. Sometimes it might take a few seconds to load into your workspace, so don't worry if it takes a moment. The magic will happen soon enough. At this point, you'll see the recipe book template appear in your Notion workspace. This is where the real fun begins. Right away, you can start adding your personal credentials. These could be things like your name as the chef, maybe your cooking motto, or just a little note about what inspires you in the kitchen. You can even add creative touches, like photos of your meals or little stories about where each recipe comes from. Adding these details makes your recipe book not just organized, but uniquely yours. Now let's talk about customization. The best part about using a template in Notion is that you're never stuck with just the default look. You can adjust the categories, add tags for quick meals or family favorites, move sections around, and even change the color scheme if you want. Make it reflect your style and how you like to cook. Don't stress if you're new to customization. A good tip is just to play around and see what feels right. Notion is forgiving, and you can always undo changes or rearrange things later. And that's really it. In just a few simple steps, you've set up a beautiful, professional recipe book in Notion, ready for all your culinary creations. Templates are such a time saver, and they set the tone for your own creativity to shine through. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you learned something new or found the recipe book template helpful, please give this video a like and let me know any questions down in the comments below. Of course, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Notion guides and productivity tips. Happy cooking and see you in the next video.